so high we cried, and you looked like heaven in the passenger seat, but life just passed us by. 'Cause we weren't meant to be, but you still got a piece of me. Ooh, and I know you hate my guts, but I swear I mean it. I hope you're happier now, now that I'm gone, moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell. No, you are just a memory lost, and I still think about you sometimes when I'm fucked up in the middle of the night. You wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish you well. I hope you're happier now. 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 I hope you're happier now.
Bang, 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 bang.